Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful exercises in strength training, the deadlift. But let's be real, if you're not doing it right, you could be setting yourself up for injury instead of gains. So, in this video, I'll break down how to deadlift properly, common mistakes to avoid, and some great alternatives if traditional deadlifts aren't your thing. Let's get into it. Why deadlifts are a must-do exercise. The deadlift is a full-body powerhouse. It works your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, core, and even your grip strength. Whether you're looking to build muscle, increase strength, or just improve your everyday movements, deadlifts are a must-have in your workout routine. Proper deadlift form. Alright, let's break it down step by step so you can perfect your deadlift form and stay injury-free. Set up the barbell. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, barbell over the middle of your feet. Grip the bar. Use either an overhand grip or a mixed grip, hands just outside your knees. Engage your core. Brace your core like you're about to take a punch. This protects your spine. Hinge at your hips. Push your hips back. Keep your back straight and lower yourself down to grab the bar. Drive through your heels. Lift the bar by driving through your heels and pushing your hips forward, not pulling with your back. Lockout position. Stand tall at the top, but don't overextend your lower back. Lower with control. Reverse the motion by pushing your hips back and lowering the bar under control. Pro tip: keep the bar close to your body to reduce strain on your lower back. Now, let's talk about some big mistakes that can lead to injuries. Rounding your back. Keep your spine neutral, not hunched or overarched. Starting with the bar too far away, the further the bar is, the more stress on your lower back. Pulling with your arms. Your legs and glutes should drive the movement, not your arms. Jerking the bar up, smooth and controlled, no yanking. Not everyone loves conventional deadlifts, and that's okay. Here are some great alternatives that still hit the same muscle groups. Trap bar deadlifts, easier on your lower back and more natural for beginners. Romanian deadlifts, RDLs, great for hamstring and glute development with less knee stress. Sumo deadlifts, a wider stance means less lower back strain and more glute activation. Kettlebell swings, an explosive alternative for power and endurance. Closing, call to action. Alright, now you've got everything you need to master the deadlift safely and effectively. Try these techniques, avoid the mistakes, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite deadlift variation? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. See you next time. Keep lifting strong. Plus be sure to check down below for links to the different exercise equipment so you can use it in your own workout.